Spin.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Creative Pet Keeping. This video is going to be a training demo for my dog Banana. I wanted to make a video to document her current progress in her training. She is definitely a pet dog. She's not trained for any competitive sports or anything really high level important. It's just fun. It's safe, a lot of safety training, obedience, and a little bit of trick training here and there. She's just starting on the trick training. If you are new to this channel, Banana is what we think is a Border Collie mix. She could be something else with Border Collie pattern. We're not sure. We adopted her at Paws Chicago at around 5 to 6 months old, and currently she's about a year and 3 months, give or take. And she's also a female. I don't know if that really matters in her training, but yeah. So I just wanted to let you guys know and show you what you can do. Just some fun stuff, a lot of practicing and adventures, and a lot of safety training. So, let's have fun. Video time! Woo! Look at us. We got squirrels here and trees and people. Just need to find some dogs to pass by. Oh, there's a squirrel. See? She's waiting to go on a walk. Some of her Banana sort of threshold training. But yeah, Banana by the squirrel apocalypse that's happening right now. I don't know where all these squirrels came from, why there are so many.
Down.
Oh, it's so perfect. Go. Down. Yes, good girl. Go, good for you. You're so good.
Down.
Yes. So good girl. Go, go, go. Fun down game.
Down.
Banana, place. So good. Down. Sit. So good. So thanks for watching my video of Banana. I think she has really come a long way. Definitely has a lot of room for improvement, but I'm super proud of my little puppy. If you are new to this channel, welcome! I hope you subscribe, join the awesome critter army, and watch all my other fun videos. And definitely, if you do subscribe, you will get notifications, and that will make me happy if you watch my videos. I'd really appreciate it. If you like this video, be sure to also give me a thumbs up and to comment letting me know what was your favorite part. And check out all the social media links in the description below. Bye guys!